What's going on, everybody? David here. The journey continues. I'm getting ready to take a trip. I'm going to Hawaii. I'll be out there for about 10 days. And there's one thing that I have not done yet with my Priority Pass. And I've never used the credit, the restaurant credit. So I'm going to do that today. So I have plenty of time. I'm leaving a little bit early. My flight isn't until like 4:55. So I have plenty of time to get to the airport, get through the check-in process, and then go to one of the participating restaurants. So Priority Pass has some participating restaurants. They give you, I believe it's like $28 of credit so I can sit down, have a meal. So this will be the first time that I'll do it. I'm going to take you guys along the way so you guys can see exactly how the process works. And that's pretty much all I have. So let's go. Okay, so PF Chang, that's where I'm going. That's the only place that they have for the Priority Pass, the free meal. So, just walking down there. Don't know exactly how far the terminal is from where I am. I'm flying domestic, so that's why I'm having to walk a little bit. But once I get there, should be worth it. All right, been walking for 20 minutes, still on my way down there. So by the time I get there, I'm gonna have to eat and then take off and get back to the plane. It's about a 20-minute walk in the airport. Let's keep going. All right, I made it. So I'm going to PF Chang's right in front of me. Like I said, it's about a 25-minute walk. Not too bad from Terminal 7 to the International Terminal. So let's go up here and get some grub. All right, just ordered. Getting ready for an orange peel chicken and some fried rice. So I'm gonna probably take fried rice with me on the plane. Just have a little something to eat while I'm on the plane. They're not doing to go right now, so you can't just order something to go, which is pretty unfortunate. Most people would probably want to do that just because they want to get to their gate. But yeah, you have to plan. So you have to allow yourself some time if you want to come to PF Chang's because they don't always do the carry out. But if you sit down, you eat a meal, then of course they'll pack up the rest for you to go. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and eat this meal. I'll let you guys see what it looks like. And $30 free meal. And it's amazing. I'm actually going over because I don't have any cash with me and I want to tip. So I'm going over the $30 on purpose. But yeah, really good value. But just make sure when you come in, you show them your Priority Pass and let them know that's what you're doing. That way they can give you a little ticket. It's that ticket you need to give to the waitress when she comes by, or the waiter when they come by. But all in all, it's a good program. I'm definitely happy. The food should be good. I've already had PF Chang's before and I like it, so this is definitely right up my alley. Alright, just finished eating. Food was really good. I'm gonna pack. I still have some left over. Just a little bit. So I'm gonna pack that to go for the flight. I got a 6-hour flight to Hawaii. So yeah, good deal. $30 credit, and I went a little bit over 30, but definitely worth it. I mean, if you have Priority Pass, you need to Find out if there's a restaurant at the airport, and then take advantage of it. All right, that's all I have for you guys. If you guys like this video, give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe for more, and I'll talk to you in the next one. Bye.